If you don't want to wait for blooms for months, grow these fast flowering vines and make your garden colorful within weeks. These climbers grow quickly, flower profusely and require minimal care, making them ideal for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. If you are short on time, these quick flowering vines can help transform your space quickly. Pick your favorites, give them the right care and enjoy a garden full of lovely hues within weeks. So hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Swaroopa Diaries with one more new video. Guys, in this video we are going to share 10 fast flowering vines that are ideal for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. So pick your favorite one and enjoy a garden full of lovely hues within a week. So let's start the video.